So, I'm back. I got all the bolts, nuts removed on the clutch housing there. There were 10 of them. When I took the last one off, I heard a little noise and I could see where it broke apart. So I'm going to try and just move this forward real time and see what happens. Okay, it's slowly coming apart. Maybe I should have chopped these wheels better, but we'll just keep on working it. I'm going to let the pressure off this jack here. Oh yeah, it's getting there. We're opening up. Oh, look at that. So it's clear. I think I got everything. I don't see anything hanging up. Might have to pull this. No, that tube. Return line pulled itself off. I'm just going to try pulling off with this baby. Okay, a little bit more and I'll have enough room to work in there. Oh yeah. Okay, that's ample amount of room. I'm gonna slide this forward. Gonna release the pressure on this jack on the engine hoist. I want to try something. That whole, you have a big enough lever you can move the world. Look at that! You can literally lift it off, lift it up and move it with this, like a wheelbarrow.